Hey everybody, it's Brooke with WTI. I just finished using my new facial steamer and I think I'm in love. I wanted to step up my skincare game and the first thing I knew I needed was a facial steamer. I found this EZBASICS Facial Steamer and it has changed the game for me. This is so easy to use also. All you have to do is fill the little water container with distilled water, plug it in and push the button and you're good to go. I also really love that it adjusts, so if you're standing or sitting, you can change which way that it faces. One of my favorite parts about this is that it comes with these little aromatherapy pads. So you can put a couple drops of your favorite essential oil and it attaches right inside the nozzle where the steam comes out, so it makes it nice and relaxing smell while you're doing your facial steaming. If you're looking to up your skincare game, you need this facial steamer. And that's my point of view.